Why should you buy Bitcoin right now? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic. Why should you buy Bitcoin right now? Whether you are new to the crypto space or looking to expand your portfolio, this video is for you. We'll explore the ins and outs of Bitcoin investing, the revolution's technology behind it, and why you need to consider before making your move. Hi, I'm Kenny TV, and this channel is all about Web3, crypto, and blockchain technology. This video are non-financial advice, it's purely educational purpose. This video is for you to learn more about Web3. If you are new here, hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest news and information in this exciting field.
Cryptocurrencies went on a wild ride today, wiping out recent gains before
Bitcoin nearing the $35,000 mark again after topping it for the first time since May of 22 yesterday.
Bitcoin having quite a day, hitting fresh highs, now up triple digits on the year. The move also.
Bitcoin isn't just another investment, it's the pioneer of blockchain technology, a disruptive force in the financial world created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. It offers a decentralized alternative to traditional fiat currencies. Institutions like hedge funds and investment firms, including giants like BlackRock, and recognizing its potential, leading to the creation of Bitcoin ETF.
With digital asset manager Grayscale over the SEC in its attempt to convert its Bitcoin trust into an ETF.
But what draws everyday investors to Bitcoin over other assets like oil, gas, property, or even gold? One of Bitcoin's most defining characteristics is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, which means the scarcity of precious metals like gold. This is crucial because unlike fiat currency that can be printed at the whim of governments, leading to inflations, Bitcoin supply cap ensure it remain deflationary. The technology of Bitcoin, known as blockchain, it's equally revolutionary. It's a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This means no central authority has control, and the system is inherently resistant to fraud and censorship. The transparency and secrecy of blockchain not only make Bitcoin unique, but also establish trust in its value over time. Comparing with other assets, when compared to traditional commodities, Bitcoin stands out for its liquidity. So ease of entry and high potential for returns. Unlike real estate, you can start investing in Bitcoin with fractions of capital and without the hassle of managing physical assets. So it's also seen by many as a hedge against inflation, a digital gold of sorts. But you may wonder what truly gives Bitcoin or any assets its value. Let's consider gold and diamonds. We see them as precious due to their rarity and the demand for their use in jewelry and industry. However, their value isn't fixed. It's perceived and agreed upon by society. What if we discover a mountain full of gold tomorrow? The supply increase potentially decrease its value. History is filled with such shift in value. Take tulip mania in the Netherlands during the 17th century, where tulips become a prized luxury item and fetch extraordinarily high price, only to collapse later. Even the concept of money has evolved. Shells once served as currency, and China was the first to introduce paper money. All these forms of money have one thing in common: the belief in their values by a community or the government. Bitcoin2 derives its value from a collective belief in its utility, scarcity and technology behind it, which brings us back to its potential as an investment. Okay, now before we assess the risk, I want to address a crucial element of trading in cryptocurrency: timing. So getting the timing right in the volatile crypto market is tough and challenging. That's where Cointech2u comes in, an AI-powered trading bot that uses technology to determine the best time to trade. And the great thing that you can link to your crypto exchange. With strategy like single directions, reverse trades, and long and short positions, it aims to optimize trading outcomes. So I have used Cointech2u to grow our community funds months ago significantly, and my personal account has benefited too. But as with any trading, it's not foolproof. Always trade with cautions and only invest what you can afford to lose. Check out the link below to see how Cointech2u can help you with your trades. Now back to the discussions on the Bitcoin. However, investing in Bitcoin isn't without risk.
Ethereum, XRP are also down double digits today as well. And in the last 24 hours, here's a big number for you, the entire crypto market cap has lost about $90 billion from its value. That's according to CoinMarketCap.
Volatility is a significant factor. Price can skyrocket, remember the 69,000, but they can also pump, and while blockchain is secure, it's important to be cautious with your wallet and exchange choice to avoid scams and hacks. To wrap up today's video, Bitcoin presents a compelling case for investors. Its unique properties and potential for significant returns make it an asset worth consideration.
When everyone are skeptical about Bitcoin, this guy, Da Vinci, asking everyone to buy Bitcoin at $1.
If you really want to become wealthy in the future, I suggest you take $1 frickin' $1. Buy some Bitcoins, put it in a goddamn wallet.
Funny enough, recently, his group of community making fun of a video, they're asking him how much Bitcoin has he have.
Excuse me, sir. Are you that guy who bought Bitcoin back in 2011?
Yeah, that's me.
How much did you buy one Bitcoin for?
$1.
And how many Bitcoin did you buy?
$1 million.
Wait, if you bought 1 million Bitcoin for $1, how much money? Wait, how much money?
But remember, throughout research and responsible investing practices are crucial. If you're ready to step into the world of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, start small, stay informed, and consider how tools like Cointech2u can support your crypto trading journey in the AI technology world. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Let's hunt together and moon together.